In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address in Mailchimp, specifically how to update your Mailchimp physical address. Now, keeping your physical address up to date in Mailchimp is essential, especially because of compliance with anti-spam laws and overall communication accuracy. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to Mailchimp's official website. Once you're there, simply log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy so you can quickly access your account without any hiccups. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon located there. Go ahead and click on that icon. It will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select Account and Billing. This is the section where all your account details are housed, including your billing and contact information. Now, under the Settings tab, focus on finding Contact Information. This is an important section because it's where your current physical address is listed. Once you click on that, you'll clearly see all the contact details you have on record. Take a moment here to scan through and ensure they are up to date, especially if you've recently changed addresses. Now, you'll notice an Edit button right next to your current address. Click on Edit to initiate the process of changing your address. This button is essentially your gateway to making these crucial updates. Once you access the editing screen, it's time to enter your new physical address. Be meticulous as you type in these details. It's important not to rush because making sure every part of your address is accurate is crucial to avoid any issues, especially those related to compliance with anti-spam laws. Incorrect address details could not only cause confusion but might also affect your email campaign's legal standing. After entering the new address, it's worth taking an extra moment to double check everything you've typed. Verify each number and street name to confirm there are no mistakes. This due diligence is important to ensure everything is in order. Having verified the accuracy of the new address, the final step is to click Save. This action will solidify your changes and update your address in the Mailchimp database. Once you hit Save, your address should now reflect your latest changes, ensuring all future communications will be sent to the correct location. And that's how you change your address on Mailchimp. Remember, maintaining current information isn't just about keeping things tidy, it's critical for ensuring that your marketing materials are both compliant and appropriately directed. Thank you for following along and keep those details current.